Are you frustrated waiting for Mule Anypoint Studio to run your projects? If you're experiencing delays, you're not alone. Today, we're going to explore why Anypoint Studio might be slow and how to speed it up. I totally get it. Waiting 20 seconds for a simple project to run can feel like an eternity, especially when you're on a powerful machine like a MacBook Pro. It's frustrating when it seems like everything should be running smoothly. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "What can I do to make Anypoint Studio run projects faster?" They mentioned that their new MacBook Pro is lagging, while a virtual machine running Windows 10 executes projects much faster. Sound familiar? Let's find out what's going on. So, what could be causing this slowdown? It could be related to how Anypoint Studio interacts with your system resources, or perhaps there are settings that need adjustment. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could significantly enhance your Anypoint Studio experience. To improve the performance of Mule Anypoint Studio, the user should first check the Java Virtual Machine settings. Increasing the memory allocation can significantly enhance the speed. Next, the user should consider optimizing the project settings. This includes disabling unnecessary features that may slow down the execution. The user can also try clearing the workspace cache. This can help resolve any lingering issues that may be affecting performance. Finally, the user should ensure that their system is not running unnecessary background applications. Closing these can free up resources for Anypoint Studio. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Anypoint Studio was released in 2015? It has come a long way since then, but performance issues can still pop up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to try using a Maven project. In the run configuration, you can add a specific command to speed up the process. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. One user found that Anypoint Studio runs slowly when their Mac is not connected to any network. However, once they connect to a network, the performance improves significantly. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative solution from another user suggests improving performance on Windows by adding specific directories to your antivirus exclusion list. First, include the directory of Anypoint Studio, and then add the .m2 repository directory as well. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. One user offers an alternative perspective for improving performance in Anypoint Studio. They suggest first checking which version of Mule you are using, as Mule 4 requires Maven initialization every time you run a project. This can lead to longer wait times. They share several tips to enhance speed, including skipping unit tests during builds, increasing Java heap size, clearing application logs, flushing the temp directory, removing unnecessary Maven dependencies, and properly closing your workspace. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. One user suggests checking your computer's RAM. They recommend that your system should have at least 8 GB of RAM for Anypoint Studio to run efficiently. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Regularly update Anypoint Studio and your Java version. Keeping everything up to date can prevent many performance issues. And there you have it. With these steps, your Anypoint Studio should be running faster in no time. Remember, regular maintenance is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips. And don't miss our next video on optimizing your development environment.